How's your gut doing? GUTXY lets you see for yourself. We help you get your digestion on track by eating what your gut loves. You know the feeling. When your digestion isn't great, it affects your mood, productivity, and zest for life. And with such a confusing overload of conflicting information out there, it can be tricky to figure out what to eat. That's why we're here to help. GUTXY is all about looking to your gut to improve your microbiome and feel your best. Science has shown that certain microbes are the difference between a good and bad gut status. And on this channel, you'll learn how to improve your microbiome, optimize your digestion, and eat foods your good gut bacteria love. All our videos are based on the latest microbiome science research. So join me, Sophia Popov, a microbiome scientist with a background in bioinformatics, and let your gut guide you to better digestive health. You are what your gut microbes eat.